Title of the lab is, Evaluating the Impact of Size of Transfer Batch on the Performance of a Production System. This is Lab 4. A transfer batch is a collection of items that is transferred as an entity or group from one process step to another. And a production batch is the quantity scheduled to be produced. What we need are 2x2 Lego blocks, 2x4 Lego blocks, plastic bins, plastic bags, bucket, and kit. First of all, warehouse in charge is collecting the materials from the warehouse by using kit, and then handovers the kits to the welding station. On welding station, 2 persons are joining the 2x4 parts. When first kit is done, they take the second kit and start working on it. And so on. After completing their works, they pass all the kits to the next rivet station. On rivet station, 2 persons are joining the 2x2 parts and welding parts together. When first kit is done, they take the second kit and start working on it. And so on. First of all, they work on the blue kit, then on red kit, then on yellow kit, and at the last they work on the green kit to assemble the parts. After completing their works, they pass all the kits to the next bolt-on station. On bolt-on station, only one person is joining the 2x2 parts. When first kit is done, he takes the second kit and start working on it. And so on. Note that, only one station is on working at a time, and the other stations, either they are waiting for parts to be assembled, or they have done their work for the transfer batch of 32. After completing his works, he pass all the kits to the next final assembly station. On final assembly station, only one person is joining the bolt-on parts and welding parts. When the first kit is done, he takes the second kit and start working on it. And so on. After completing his works, he pass all the kits to the next quality inspection station. On quality inspection, the quality of the final product is checked. Except packing station, every station has done its work and passed the work to the next station. After completing his works, he pass all the kits to the next packing station. On packing station, packing of the final product is taking place. Now only packing station is on working, while all the other stations have done their work. Firstly, warehouse in charge hand over the material to the welders in a kits. First of all, welders join the material of blue color of type 2x4, and after joining all the blue colors they will keep all the assembled parts again in a blue kit. Now welders join the material of red color of type 2x4, and after joining they will also keep all the assembled parts again in a red kit. Now welders will hand over both kits to the riveters. Riveters will now join the material of blue color of type 2x2 on the already welded parts, and after joining parts they will keep all the assembled parts in a blue kit. At the same time, welders have started to assemble parts of size 2x4 of green and yellow color. Riveters will now join the material of red color of type 2x2 on the already welded parts, and after joining parts they will keep all the assembled parts again in a red kit. Here the bolt-on one is joining 3 2x2 parts of blue color and will put all the assembled parts back in a blue kit. Now he will follow the same procedure for red parts as well. At the same time, riveters are joining the green and yellow parts. Now bolt-on 1 will hand over the kits to the bolt-on 2 station. Now bolt-on 2 will make the final assembly of blue parts and will move the final product towards the inspection section. At the same time, bolt-on 1 is busy in joining green and yellow parts. Now bolt-on 2 will make the final assembly of red parts and will move the final product towards the inspection section after placing all the assembled parts in their respective kits. Now bolt-on 2 will make the final assembly of yellow and green parts and will move the final product towards the inspection section after placing all the assembled parts in their respective kits. Here the quality inspector is checking the quality of products and is making sure that no defective part will be moved to the next section. In case of any defective part, he will send the defective parts back to the warehouse station. Finally, the packers pack the final assembled products in plastic packets. In the same way, they will also pack the parts of other colors in their respective plastic packets. At the same time, quality inspector is checking the quality of remaining products. Now packers are busy in packing remaining products of yellow and green colors. There are 8 kits in total. 2 of each color. One kit has enough parts to make 4 products. Warehouse in charge delivers first kit to welder, and next kit after one is done. Welder performs the task and puts the part in kit and passes kit to rivet. The kit goes to bolt-on after rivet. Kit moves to inspection for quality inspection. The product are packed if no defects are found. The order of kit is blue, blue, red, red, yellow, yellow, green, green. Each station uses a stopwatch to find runtime and idle time. After packing, products are placed on last table. Here are results in discussion. We can see that as we decrease transfer batch size, the MLT decreases and production rate increases. It shows time utilized, idle time and percentage of utilization by each station. As we can see, most of the time is utilized by packer. We can find payment per hour and cost per piece. As production rate increases, cost per piece decreases.